What's up everyone, it's Mike here for you, bringing you a Shisha tobacco review on Hookafina Peppermint, courtesy of the folks at Hookah-Shisha.com, so a big thanks over there. Now to get on into the review guys, the smell of this, no question, peppermint, nothing else. Nice, strong, sweet peppermint smell from it. As far as the cut goes, it is your typical Hookafina stuff, kind of a medium to long cut leaf, a little bit of stems in there, and it does have its fair amount of juice to it. Nice golden brown color to it as well, so that's nice. Now as far as my setup guys, I'm using my Othmani rig, got my dedicated KM mint hose, Godfather Bull, Cloud Lotus with 3 cocoa jamras, and water in the base. I've been going quite a while now, probably about 20 minutes or so into my second round of coals, so let's see what we have. So no question, Hookafina always going to deliver clouds, nice big thick clouds. As far as the flavor goes, this one's a pretty straightforward flavor. There's not a whole lot of complexity involved to it. So as far as the flavor, definitely a nice cooling peppermint flavor. You get a nice cooling in your lungs, in your throat, on the inhale, on the exhale, a nice even balance. Nice sweet peppermint flavor. Other than that, I don't really like to compare flavors to other brands like flavors, but with this one, when it comes to peppermint, I believe that there is a strong love out there amongst hookah smokers for Tangier's cane mint. So I guess I'm going to compare this to that. As far as the flavor strength, if you were to say cane mint was a 10 out of 10 on the flavor strength scale, I would give this about a 7.5 to an 8. It's lighter, not as strong as a mint flavor as a Tangier's cane mint. However, it is still very strong. It's definitely stronger than some other mint flavors out there. It's got a nice balance of cooling and the actual mint flavor. Just not as strong as cane mint. Still get the same effect. With that said, I think that this flavor would be good for folks that aren't looking for such a strong mint flavor. They want something kind of toned down a little bit. This would be something that I would highly recommend picking it up. Another good thing about this flavor is it would be an excellent mixer. You can mix it with pretty much anything, get that nice little peppermint flavor. So other than that, it's pretty much your personal preference really as to how strong you want your mint flavor. This is still very strong, just not as quite strong as Tangier's cane mint. It's really all I have to say for it, folks. In terms of how I'm going to score this, if you can see, I'm going to go ahead and knock off just a couple of points off the flavor simply because of the flavor strength. If it were a little bit stronger, get a higher rating. Now as far as appearance and consistency goes, no problems at all. Now with the actual longevity, with this, I always like to go 2 rounds per session. It just about gets it, but it does tend to die out in the flavor about halfway through that second round of coal. So I'm going to knock a couple points off of that, actually 4 points off of that. And the same with the smokability as far as how much I actually want to smoke it, heat management, just a few points off of that. So my grand total is going to be a 90 out of 100. I highly recommend it. Hookafina Peppermint guys, if you enjoy peppermint flavors, this is definitely legit. Go and pick it up. You can find it at Hookah-Shisha.com. I'll leave a direct link below. Again, a big thanks to all the folks over there, and if you can, please comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, smoke on.